Hi ladies, it's Deb with Deb's Decorative Life. Did you catch my blog post yesterday? About this little cute little adorable baby and what this baby did? I shouldn't say baby, she's old and not a baby anymore. It involves a toilet brush. Yes, no, you're not going to eat it. No. My blog post is called Even Cats Know How to Have Indoor Fun. How this cat is attracted to this toilet brush. I know, it is disgusting. I got a cookie cat, what can I say? Yeah, they're all looking at you. Little toilet brush chewer. I see you eyeing my toilet brush. How she got this toilet brush and got it to the other end of the room and got it in the garbage can, I'll never know. Unreal. I gotta hide the toilet brush because she really loves that toilet brush. Really? Honestly? Yes, my little toilet brush chewer. She gets in so much trouble when she wants to. She knows how to have her indoor fun. I'll get mommy's attention and make her chase me around the house. My tip for you for today is, you even gotta keep the pets occupied with things to do. Do I need to buy you extra toys for winter so you can play with them? I guess I do. Because I guess even the cats need their indoor fun. So my tip for you is, remember the cat. And get them an extra present and maybe that will help occupy them around the house. And while you're at it, don't forget to sign up for my email and get your chili recipes. It's crock pot season now. You want to get that food going. Warm up the belly, right, Veronica? Right. She's half asleep right now. That's why she's staying here. But if I bring that toilet brush back out, she'll be eyeing it. I know her. Well, so don't forget the tip of my day. Even the pets need some attention too. They get jealous. And where am I going to see you? I'm going to see you next week for my next tip of the day. Bye! Say bye, Veronica. Go on, you're free. And stay away from my toilet brush.